In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy xStocks on Kraken. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So basically, xStocks are basically tokens on the blockchain that will represent the price of the real life stock on the real life market. As you can see right here, you can choose between crypto and xStocks on Kraken, and you can see any stock just like in the normal market. You can see the companies like Nvidia, Microsoft. There are even ETFs. So if you want to start buying xStocks, all you need to do is firstly create an account on Kraken if you haven't done that already. Then go to buy, and right here select the stock you want to buy. So click right here and search for the one you want. So let's say I want to buy, I don't know, you can find ETFs as well. So let's say I want to buy this ETF. Just click right here, then select a payment method. Then we can select how many shares or stocks we want to buy. So for example, let's say I want to buy just one, or I can also purchase a fraction, or you don't even need to buy the full stock. So you can do something like this and select a payment method. So you can choose between credit cards or deposit cash directly on your Kraken wallet. So if you do this, you can just transfer the money from your bank account to your Kraken wallet, and this way you will find cash or fiat on your Kraken wallet, which you can use to buy any stock or crypto. After that, just review the order and buy the stock. Then whenever you want to sell it, just go to sell, and right here just put in the amount you want to sell, or you can sell everything by clicking this button right here, and then just withdraw the money to your bank account by going right here and select any payment method you want to use to get an instant bank transfer to your bank account. So that's it. That's how you can buy xStocks on Kraken. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.